Welcome back to the shop. We're going to call this one the Maker Geeks and why you shouldn't order from them. And the crooks that they are. Alright, let me begin at the first on what happened. I started ordering a transition spool from them back in June of this year. Just to try them out. It come in, it was okay. Nothing to brag on, but it was a transition spool. You know, between runs, I understood. Then I got a grab bag of a couple PLA. They run pretty good. Not bad. So I decided to order the Geek Box in July. So I got July's. Nothing special. It bragged on for the cost, it bragged on 2 spools, a project, and a tool. Well, the tool was nothing. The project was just printed crap. But the 2 spools were nice. Okay. August come along. 2 more spools. Same type of projects. Same type of pretty much crap for the tool, you know. But it's understandable. September's come along. Here's where the fun begins. September's was supposed to be a surprise. And it's supposed to have a $100 gift card. Alright, now granted, the month before that had a coupon code for conductive filament that, of course, we're all the way to December, and guess what? That code don't work, and the filament never showed up, and I doubt we'll ever see it anyways. Back to September. $100 gift card. So I throw in a little bit of extra money with it, and I order a thing of this spray. 5 spools of PETG, different types, including a glow-in-the-dark. Okay. During the time of waiting on that, about a week went by, I ordered a grab bag of PETG. 2 spools of it. Alright. This spool, as you've seen in another video, sizing errors like crazy. This spool, I never even got to run the benchy test on this one. This thing right here is so far out of spec, it was insane. Well, so I got in touch with them through email because that's the only way to get in touch with them. And asked for a replacement of these 2. And they kept promising and kept promising. Okay. Well, during that time, I got these 2 items off of my $100 gift card. 1 spray. 1 spool. Where's the other 4? Well, a week went by, I emailed them. They told me, oh, we're behind, blah, 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 the canned response. You'll be out in 3 to 5 days. Okay. I noticed, though, every one of my orders, because I ordered this on October the 2nd, suddenly on October the 4th, all said fulfilled, but no tracking number. And I had multiple orders out, including the October Geek Box was paid for and on there. And it said paid for on October the 2nd, shipped on October the 4th, which we all know they don't ship till November. But it said fulfilled. That's when the trouble started. So, you know, another week goes by. We're 2 weeks in waiting. I email again. Oh, you know, stuff's behind, we're behind, blah, blah, blah. Same exact canned response. You'll get a tracking number in 3 to 5 days. Well, we'll just let people have problems with the companies. It happens. A week goes by. I email them again. I get the exact same canned response again. So we're 3 weeks waiting on this. So, I email again a week later. Now we're 4 weeks into this. We're at the start of October now at that point. No, we're at the start of November at that point. I ask them, I say, hey, if you're that far behind and it's not going to ship, you owe me these 2 spools here and the 4 left over on this. Just throw me anything in the box. I don't care. I don't care if it's some more of this, which, by the way, actually works good. I don't care if it's PLA. I don't care what it is. Just throw something in the box so we can clear those 2 orders out. I didn't care at that point. Okay, yeah, that'll work. You'll get a tracking number in 3 to 5 days. Well, 3 to 5 days come and went. So it come to that Friday. I emailed again. I said, all I asked for was just anything. I'm not even asking for the exact thing that I ordered. Not even the exact items I ordered. Just throw me anything in a box. PLA, I don't care. Just throw something in a box. So I get promised, oh, you'll have a tracking number in 48 hours. 48 hours come, it went, it's gone. So I emailed again. 48 hours, I went, so am I going to get a tracking number or am I going to get a lie? And what I received back was another canned response. Oh, you're going to get out priority, we're behind, blah, 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 blah. And about that time, the other Geek Box had shipped out, and guess who didn't get one? Even though it was paid for also, me. So I emailed and say, hey, not only am I missing these two, which are junk and need to go in the trash, I'm missing the rest of this order, and I'm missing the Geek Box for October, which ships out November. For some reason, they're a month behind on everything. So we get told, oh, we don't know what happened with that and all that. So I post up on Reddit asking, is anybody else having a problem with this? And of course, I got answers on that. Of course, a whole bunch of people having the exact same problem I had. Suddenly, my account on Maker Geeks was deleted. Couldn't even log in no more. So at that point, I just decided I'm never going to get anything from these people. I'm just going to file chargebacks on it. Like all you should do. If any of you, yes, you, have orders outstanding for Maker Geeks, stop emailing them. Don't even bother. You're just going to get a canned response over and over and over. More lies, more lies, and more lies. Just go ahead and file a chargeback. Be done with them. Because you're never going to get anything. Or you're going to get garbage. So, I email them asking, say, hey, this is bull. Why is my account deleted? And of course well, you must have called and wanted to do that. Called? How could I call? You ain't got a phone number. Or at least one that works. And I tracked one down. And it's disconnected. This makes me wonder if this company started their problems in August. Because August they sent out random. It wasn't a set ones to everybody. It was randoms to everybody. And then suddenly they give out a $100 gift card that they couldn't even hold up to. Now, don't just say it's a gift card. We paid for that gift card. We paid for the gift for the Geek Box that didn't show up. We paid for all that. So it's not like they gave it to us. We actually paid for a service that wasn't given to us. Remember that. So don't let somebody tell you, oh, they were giving you $100. No, we paid to get that $100. We paid for that. So we bought a service and we didn't get it. Multiple times, matter of fact. So during all this, in the chargebacks was being filed, I got an email saying, oh, it should be shipping out, but we don't have stock on it yet. And I replied, you mean in your entire warehouse, you don't have just random 5, 6, 7 random spools to throw in a box out of the entire warehouse? And the reply was, no, those are meant for other orders. Well, what about the orders that I put in? Where's mine? Quite honestly, I was glad to get the chargebacks on it. I'm done with them. I've went on to greener pastures. This stuff's not even worth it. I'm just going to throw it in the trash. It's not even worth trying. I ain't even open this spool. It's really, I guarantee you this spool won't even work right. I guarantee you, this one didn't work right. That one didn't work right. The other one I got didn't work right. I'm not even going to bother with it. It's garbage. I know it's going to be garbage. I know it's going to be out of spec. It's only a matter of time for that company goes under. And anybody that's paying them money, I feel sorry for you. Because either you're going to get garbage, or you're going to have to turn around and do a chargeback, or get emails forever and ever and ever, and never get anything out of it. So what's the moral to this story? Don't order from a company like this. I mean, I hated it. I wanted to support a USA company. I really did. And I loved their color selection. And I loved that they were US based and they wanted to actually make something of themselves. But it's all a scam. It really is. They do not ship out good products, or they don't ship at all. I mean, it's like their shipping department is run by a bunch of monkeys throwing crap at each other all day. It doesn't work. I mean, I feel sorry for them. I really would love for them to succeed and put out good product. But they just don't really want to. But I tried. I tried to stay with them. I even started doing reviews on this channel just for their Geek Box and just for their PLA and their PETG, trying to get the word out to try to get them more sales. And guess what they end up doing? They shit on one of their happiest customers. And lessons like that is why you don't even bother dealing with companies like this. If you look up their Better Business Bureau, it's an F rating with a warning to never order from them. If you go on their website and you leave a review, guess what? It don't even show up anymore. Go ahead, go make a review right now. Go pick any product, go make a review. It won't show up. If it does, it has to be a 5-star review. If you make a 1-star review, it'll never show on their website. You may or may not get the geek points for it, but you can go back 2 or 3 days later, it will not be there. Go on their Instagram account. Go for it. Make a comment on any post. Guess what? You're deleted now. I don't care. You say, hey, where's my stuff? It's deleted. If you'll notice, there used to be posts on there all the time saying that. Now there's not anymore. They'll delete you from their account just for bad-mouthing them. Just for asking, where is the stuff that I paid for? What type of company is hiding themselves that bad? That's not damage control. That's bankruptcy. Thanks for watching. I really didn't want to make this video. I didn't want to make this video. But it had to be done. It really did. Thanks for watching. And hope you watch the rest of my videos. Like if you can. Comment down there. I love to respond to comments. I respond to every single comment. I love it. I love to hear back from people. Subscribe if you want to. That's up to you. I don't have any sponsorship. I don't make any money off of this. I do this just to inform everybody. Pay attention to my reviews. I've got some good ones coming up pretty soon. Even some build tips if y'all want them on how to make products like this 3D scanner. Really easy to build if you've got a modern day cell phone like the one I'm taping this on. And works really good on 3D scanning objects where you can rebuild them or print them or fix them. But glad talking to you again. I really didn't want to do this video, but it really needed to be done. Thanks for watching.